Here's step-by-step guide how to move your MetaMask account to another phone. Step-by-step guide. So, alright, let's jump into it. First of all, click on gear at the bottom right corner. And after that, once you're here, you can find security and privacy section right here. And now you can watch video about how to protect your wallet. This is video about security recovery phrase. And now you need just click on reveal secret recovery phrase right here. And after that, MetaMask offer you security quiz. To reveal your secret recovery phrase, you need to correctly answer 2 questions. Yep, get started. If you lose your secret recovery mask, click on get started. And here you can, if you lose secret recovery phrase, MetaMask can't help you. Right, continue. So now I'm gonna click on your Binance account and now click on continue. So once you're here, you can enter password to continue. Let me write my password and click on next button and click on how to reveal is RP. So now you can copy to clipboard your secret phrase, then click on done button. So now you can open new account on your another phone or on the MetaMask website, and then you can just import your secret recovery code and your account is automatically offer you typing password of your account. So I hope it helps. You can watch this new video or this playlist about MetaMask. See you next time.